This money-making strategy is not for the faint of heart. If you're into scary content, then you're going to want to stick around. If you're too spooked about what I'm about to show you, it's best if you sit out on this one. But if you're brave enough, you'll be glad to know that this works not just for videos about scary real-life situations caught on tape, but for any type of content you like. I'll show you how you can make money online by creating faceless YouTube shorts. Not only will you be generating extra income, you may also get thousands or even millions of views. Tough enough to brave this method? Then get your heart, soul, and computer or smartphone ready. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. Before we get to the nitty-gritty of this supernatural online money-making technique, let me give you a bit of a background of YouTube Shorts and why they've become popular over the recent years. Since the groundbreaking rise and gradual influence of the vertical short-form video sharing platform TikTok, many other social media platforms wanted to get a taste of what it's serving. Out of many of these platforms, YouTube responded to this by implementing the Shorts feature into the website and app. I will demonstrate how to effectively monetize your YouTube Shorts channel and show you how to generate revenue from it with as few resources as possible. And all it takes is to share existing long-form content such as ghost hunting videos and top supernatural moments caught on camera. This is going to be really interesting, so watch till the end to learn how you can exactly get paid this way. To create a successful YouTube Shorts channel, you'll need to study a handful of existing channels and their content. This is one way of building a strong and steady foundation that will carry you for as long as you can run and manage your own content. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll check out Nuks' Top 5. An established channel with nearly 4 million subscribers. This channel is well known for its scary and spine-tingling compilation content, particularly ones such as Top 5 Scary Videos, Top 10 Viral Ghost Videos, and 5 Scary Things Caught on Camera. These types of videos, which may be filmed with phones, cameras, video recorders, or CCTV, can generate millions of views, even in the form of long-form content, which Nuks' Top 5 is mostly known to deliver. While this channel's most recent long-form uploads managed to get over 1 million views each, the same can be said for short-form content. That said, using YouTube Shorts can be a more effective way to quickly attract a large number of views. In contrast, building an audience with long-form content can often be a slower process for most channel creators. But in a case like Nuks, it is possible to achieve high view counts of over 10 million monthly views and generate significant ad revenue of up to nearly $50,000 every month. Now that we have a crystal clear idea of what we're getting into, it's time that I teach you right now exactly how you can generate money from uploading YouTube Shorts. As I said, you don't need to build your subscriber count, and you don't need to upload a lot for the first few days. What you'll only need for this strategy are a few simple yet very powerful shortcuts. This is crucial information, so listen and watch carefully. If you do, you can make money fast and easily in a short time. For the first step of this tutorial, you'll have to search for popular ghost videos on YouTube. Type in any keyword as long as it's about ghost or supernatural content. In our case, let's type in Top 10 Scariest Ghost Encounters. Once you have found a video that you want to use like this, Simply click it, and from there you'll find the share button underneath the video where you can click and copy the link. Next, what you want to do is use a free YouTube to MP4 tool that you can easily Google online, such as Y2 Mate for instance. Here you can convert the video into an MP4 file that you can download and save to your computer for later use. To do this, paste the link you just copied from YouTube into the tool and click Start. This will allow you to download the clip to your computer in MP4 format for free. Once you manage to download the file successfully, the next step is to use any media editing tool of your choice to transform it into a shorts-friendly video. If you have intermediate level video editing skills, you can do that with pro editing software such as Premiere Pro. But if you're a total newbie, you can use free ones such as Canva instead to create a vertical video suitable for YouTube Shorts. To do this, select a custom size of 1080 by 1920. Then drag and drop the video into the editor. Trim it to include only the most suspenseful or scary part, and it should be around 15 to 20 seconds long. Then, to ensure that what you're sharing stands out more, you can add text over the video, like full video in the description below. You can also add text effects such as the red box to make the text stand out. This will allow you to create a short, attention-grabbing video that teases the full video and encourages viewers to watch it. Now that you're done with editing and you're ready to download or export the short, let's go to our next and very important step, which is to use ShrinkMe.io, a paid link shortening service that makes you money whenever someone clicks on your specially generated short link. We've already covered this website recently on our channel, but how it works is when someone clicks on this link, they will be shown ads before being redirected to the video page. Then you'll be paid a portion of the ad revenue for each click. ShrinkMe pays you up to $22 per 1,000 clicks, allowing you to monetize your shorts without needing at least 1,000 subscribers. You're paid simply for directing traffic to the video page through the shortened link. Sounds freakishly good, am I right? But before we can access ShrinkMe's core features, what do you think about this strategy so far? Let me know how you feel by commenting down below. Now back to where we left off. We'll need to register for a ShrinkMe account. A good thing about making one is that it's completely free to use. So once you click on register, you just enter your username, email address, and password. Then as soon as you're in, you can access your dashboard and track your earnings and clicks. Now comes the frighteningly good part. To create a shortened link, click on Use Shortened Link on the left side of the screen and paste it in the link to the original video that you just edited into a YouTube short. Click Shorten to create the shortened link, which you can then copy and share. Again, when someone clicks on this link, they will be shown ads before being redirected to the full video page. You will earn money from the ad revenue generated by these clicks and practically nothing else. At this point, you now have a short that's ready to be uploaded and a ShrinkMe link that's ready to be shared and clicked on by every user around the world. For our next and final step, you'll need to publish your video to YouTube. From the homepage, click on the create icon next to your channel icon. Then upload videos. Select the short clip that you just created and give it a haunting, eye-catching title, such as Ghost Caught on Camera in Real Life. You can also add emojis or other engaging elements next to or within the title to make it more appealing to viewers. For the description, paste the ShrinkMe link, then include a short message telling viewers that they can watch the full video for free by clicking on the link. And that's just how you upload your first YouTube short on your computer or laptop using this strategy. If you found this spooky strategy inspiring and helpful, consider liking the video and leaving your comments and suggestions down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content and ring the bell so you won't miss out on our latest updates. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.